Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a video to help promote our website and our floor and decor blog. So before I get into the topic of the day, which is SmartStrand Carpet and what exactly is SmartStrand Silk Carpet, I do want to tell you a little bit about our site. Again, we're at BestRugPrices.com, and what you're looking at is the front page of our floor and decor blog. And as you can probably imagine from the name of our blog, we write about floor covering. We have articles on product reviews, we do care and maintenance tips, we have articles on budgeting. If you have a floor covering project that you're wanting to do in your home, but it's down the road and you just kind of wonder how much money it's going to cost, we have articles that can help you put some budgeting numbers together. We even have articles on strategies that we've developed that can help you and your local store go in and get a better price from your store on your material costs. So we just have a wealth of information on our site about floor covering, and we certainly invite you to come visit our page and read some of our articles. I'm going to put the link to our site in the description box below this video, so we'd love to have you come visit. The other part of our site, as I switch screens here real quick, is area rugs. If you've ever shopped for just kind of everyday area rugs for your home, you've probably come back frustrated because I'm sure you have discovered that most of the local box stores and floor covering stores in your community have gotten out of the area rug business. They're really hard to find, in the few places that do have rugs, their selection isn't very strong, and the rugs are usually way overpriced. So most people shop for area rugs online these days, and there's so many places that you can buy rugs, and it's kind of hard to buy because you're buying off of pictures. You don't know about some of these websites. So what we do for our viewers is we put together a list of what we think are the best deals for area rugs online. We go online and check these places out, and then we put our recommendations together and we put them on this page. So we have all kind of different rugs, and what's hot right now. We put what's hot right now, and for example, as I'm doing this video, it's the middle of June, and outdoor area rugs are a big deal. So we've listed where we think our we've listed where we think the best places are to get area rugs. So anyway, I'm going back to our floor and decor blog page, and we would love for you to come visit. Again, I'll put the link to our web page in the description box below this video, and we'd love for you to read some of our articles and leave a comment or two. So I'm going to switch screens real quick, and I'm just going to go over to the Mohawk website. Mohawk Industries is one of the leading manufacturers of floor covering in the country, and they are the company that makes SmartStrand Silk Carpet, which is down here. SmartStrand has a lot of different products, and I just wanted to show you this page so you know where it's at on the internet. But Mohawk has all kind of information. You can search for their Mohawk strand or SmartStrand silk product, their SmartStrand Reserve, Color Max. They have the cleaning brochures and just all kind of information here. SmartStrand is a product that's been around for many years. If you go into most floor covering stores, you're going to see it all over the place. And they have products that are really at every price point. It's you could buy a SmartStrand carpet that's maybe for a small apartment or a rental home. You could also buy SmartStrand carpet for a luxury new construction home that's really thick and expensive. So and everything in between. So there's just all kind of products, in the SmartStrand line, and there's probably a carpet that could fit just about every type of project. And it's a great carpet for stain protection and wear. And if you have some questions about SmartStrand, again, I'm going to go back to our blog page here, and our most recent article is about SmartStrand. We call it the SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide, but it's more of a resource guide. we go into great detail in this article about SmartStrand Carpet. We talk about what it's made from. We talk about the warranty, the how to clean it. We just go into all kind of information, and a lot of the information, quite frankly, is stuff that your stores aren't going to tell you about. For example, with the SmartStrand warranty, when you buy this carpet, a lot of stores won't tell you that in order to maintain your warranty, you have to use a certain type of vacuum cleaner. Otherwise, your warranty won't be any good. So, in our article, we list 30 or 40 different vacuum cleaners that Mohawk recommends or recognizes as acceptable vacuum cleaners. So, if the store doesn't tell you that, then what's going to happen for most people, is you're buying the carpet, you get it installed, and then the next day you got to go out and spend $200 to $300 on a vacuum cleaner that you didn't know that you had to do. And this is the type of information that we have in this article right here, SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. We have in this article we have product videos. We have all kind of reference links that you can go to. So pretty much, if you want to know what SmartStrand's silk is made of, is it a good carpet or not, what sort of reviews it's getting, pretty much anything SmartStrand, you can go to this blog article and it'll be right there. And again, I'm going to put the link in the description box below this video. So again, we're at bestrugprices.com. Thank you very much for listening and have a great day.